Animals. What do you know about animals? Did you know there are different kinds of animals? Some animals have fur. Can you name these animals that have fur? Wolf, horse. Some animals have feathers. Can you name these feathery animals? Chicks, penguin, peacock. Some animals have scales. Can you see the alligator? Do you have fish at home? Here are more animals with scales. Lizard, shark, snake. Animals live in many places, like the Arctic, the rivers, or the plains. Animals live in the ocean. Animals live on land, like this Arctic coyote, or these elephants that live in the grasslands. Here are more land animals. Desert camel. Can you see the bee? Some animals live on land and in water, like this duck and frog. Say cheese. No matter how different they are or where they live, we love animals.